Hi students, welcome back to creatormath.com, or you might have to type in creatormath.weebly.com, whichever gets you there going through Google. I want to talk about one of the tasks you have to do for your composition book. On the website, on the home page, scroll down to where you see the composition book. This is where all the requirements are listed. Keep going down. There's descriptions of what goes on each page, and I want to get to the point right here where it says pre-title odd-numbered pages. There's a link here, and I'll put this video to the link. Students have trouble understanding what I'm asking them to do in this procedure. So part of your requirements for the class is to have a composition book, right? Go back and look at the requirements. You need 100 sheets right here. 100 sheets means 200 pages. Then there's an illustrative video on how to number your pages. You start out by numbering the first page and go watch that before you number your pages and number them correctly. I want the numbers in the right place, the upper outside corners of the pages, and in the right order. So you're going to then put 2 on the back, right, in the upper corner, and then this one here, 3. So once you start with this 1, 2, 3, right, number all the book. Go all the way to the last page, 200. And you can show me your numbered pages in a video when I grade it. You just go like this, right, and I can see you got all the pages numbered. Now notice odd number pages are in the right-hand corner. So when I stop here, 89 is an odd number. Always there's going to be odd numbers on the right corner. The ones on the left are going to be even. That's just the way books are numbered. You pick up any book off the shelf, look at the page numbers. When you go to the right page here, you're going to find an odd numbered page, 21. Not even. The even will be over on the left side, right here. All right, so with that said, there's this idea that you're going to pre-title odd-numbered pages. So here's what I'm doing. I'm going to illustrate this. First, go back to the website. Let's see if we can model this really quickly. You're on the home page, right? Here's home. Get this in the camera here. Then let's say we're in geometry. We're going to demonstrate. Let's go to geometry. Scroll down past the vocabulary, and now you're going to see the table of contents. So let's go to this first unit. This is trigonometry. This is a unit. Each one of these is a lesson. You'll see notes for each one that open up when you click on it. And there's the notes for the page. Hi, everybody. And go back and let's see the problems for each one. Here are the problems for this set, for this lesson. And then go back. And here is the video on how to solve those problems for that lesson, a YouTube video for you to watch. All right, so you should know how to do all of those things, and understanding the page numbers here is where they go in the comp book. So right here, sign op leg inverse goes on page 2122. So I'm going to pre-title that page 2122. It's going to be 21 is where the title goes, right? Because that's the first of the 2 pages. And the title is sign op leg and inverse. It's a little strange, and you don't know what it means yet, but you will. And so you're going to title that page right here, sign op leg and inverse. When we go to the next page, and notice there's nothing on it yet. We have not taken the notes on that page yet because we're pre-titling it. Here's the next one, sine op leg. Go ahead, there you go. This one's sine, hypotenuse, and inverse, page 23. So notice the next one in the list on the table of contents. Here it is, sine, hypotenuse, and inverse, right there, page 23. Sine, hypotenuse, and inverse. We're going to go to the next page on the table of contents. Cosine, adjective, and inverse is page 25. So when we turn to page 25, we should have the title already written onto that page. I know it's a little complicated. It's called pre-titling the pages. Right? The point of pre-titling is so that when you turn to that page, you already know what goes on that page all the way through the entire semester. You know, maybe it's hard to understand. Why does the teacher want you to do this, right? Because what I find is students have trouble just doing the simple tasks, right? And it's the simple things that trip them up, not really the complicated stuff that they concentrate on and get right. It's like page numbering. If you don't number all the pages right up front, I'll find students that are numbering pages wrong because they get bored, they just get tired of doing it, right? So they don't number all the pages, they don't put them in the right places. So you do it all at one time. Go back, put in all the titles to all the pages on the odd number pages at first, at the beginning of the semester. That way, every day when you walk into class and you turn to page, see what's on the board, and the title matches what's on the board with the page number, and that's the same thing that's on the table of contents, then this entire piece of of this entire document you're writing, of organizing your notes, makes total sense for the rest of the semester. And by the end of the semester, you'll have a very complete set of notes. You'll be able to go back and study. If I let you use your notes or your comp book on a test, you're going to know where everything is by just using the table of contents, which is put into the front of the book, by the way, on pages 2 through 6. All right, hope this helps. This is pre-titling odd-numbered pages.